Hello everyone, today we are going to read World of Eric Carle Around the Farm. I'm sure you all will love this book with so many amazing sounds that we will be reading every single one. So let's not waste any more time, click the subscribe button and we'll dive straight in. Wow. The
bull
is strong. The
cow
gives us milk to drink. The
goat
can climb.
pig
Has a curly tail. The
sheep
has wool that keeps us warm. The
lamb
is a baby sheep. The
donkey horse
gallops in the field. The
hen
lays eggs for a farmer. The
turkey
likes to eat seeds and grains. The
chick
is yellow and fluffy. The
rooster
wakes the farmer in the morning. The
cat
meows and purrs. The dog howls at the moon. The
mouse
stays warm in the farmer's barn. The
frog
leaps up into the air. The
duck
waddles to and fro. The
turtle
can hide in its shell. The
fish
swims underwater. The crow flaps its wings. The
sparrow
likes to sing. The
owl
can see in the dark. The
woodpecker
pecks at the tree with its beak. The
snake
hisses and slithers. The
rabbit
likes to hop. The
cricket
hops and chirps. The
dragonfly
zips and zooms. The
bee
buzzes from flower to flower. The
butterfly
flutters its colourful wings. The
caterpillar
cruise along a leaf. Wow, that was a truly amazing book. World of Eric Carle, probably your favourite author, Around the Farm, with so many countless amazing grunt sounds. I'm sure if you enjoyed this video, which I'm sure you will have, please consider subscribing down and clicking that like button and check out all our other videos. So for now, see you next time. Thanks for watching.